Hi everyone, welcome back to Wellnessity, your go-to channel for natural health and beauty tips. If you're frustrated with slow hair growth, thinning hair, or even hair loss, this video is for. If you're frustrated with slow hair growth, thinning hair, or even hair loss, this video is for you. Today, we're talking about the magic of rosemary oil, a natural solution for boosting hair growth. I'll also show you how to supercharge it with fenugreek, guide you through making rosemary oil at home, and share insights from health expert Barbara O'Neill on using it effectively. Let's dive in. Rosemary oil is celebrated for its ability to improve scalp health and boost hair growth. Its main components, such as rosmaric acid, ursolic acid, and antioxidants, promote blood circulation to the scalp. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach the hair follicles, which helps strengthen roots and encourage new growth. Did you know a clinical study found that rosemary oil works just as effectively as minoxidil, the active ingredient in many hair regrowth products? The best part, it has fewer side effects like itching or dryness. For a quick scalp treatment, add a few drops of rosemary oil to a carrier oil like coconut, almond, or jojoba. Massage it into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes and leave it overnight or rinse after 1 hour. One of my friends struggled with postpartum hair loss. She started using rosemary oil twice a week and saw noticeable hair regrowth within 3 months. It's all about being consistent. Benefits of fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds, or methi, are a powerhouse of hair-friendly nutrients like protein, iron, and lecithin. They not only strengthen the hair shaft, but also reduce dandruff and inflammation. Recipe. Start by soaking 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in water overnight. This softens them and activates their nutrients. Blend the soaked seeds into a fine paste. Mix the paste with 2 tablespoons of rosemary oil. Adjust the consistency with a little water if needed. Apply this mixture to your scalp and hair, focusing on the roots. Leave it on for 30 minutes and wash it off with a mild shampoo. I recommended this mask to a colleague who was battling severe dandruff and hair breakage. Within a month, her hair was shinier, healthier, and breakage was visibly reduced. How to make rosemary oil at home. Ingredients. To make rosemary oil at home, you'll need fresh or dried rosemary leaves, a carrier oil like olive, coconut, or sweet almond oil. Take a handful of rosemary leaves and gently crush them to release their oils. Add them to a saucepan or glass jar and pour enough carrier oil to cover the leaves completely. Heat the mixture on low for about 15 to 20 minutes if using a stovetop, or let it steep in a sunny spot for 1 to 2 weeks if you prefer cold infusion. Strain the oil into a glass bottle using a fine sieve or cheesecloth, and rosemary oil is ready. Usage tips. Use this DIY oil for scalp massages or mix it with your favorite conditioner for an added boost. Example. Homemade rosemary oil is not only cost-effective but also fresher and more potent than many store-bought versions. One of my subscribers shared how making her own oil saved her money while giving her softer, thicker hair. Who is Barbara O'Neill? Barbara O'Neill is a renowned health educator and naturopath who advocates for natural solutions to health and wellness issues. Her view on hair care. Barbara emphasizes scalp health as the foundation of hair growth. She recommends natural oils like rosemary because they nourish the scalp, stimulate dormant follicles, and create an environment for optimal hair growth. Key insights. She advises combining rosemary oil with lavender oil for a calming, hair-friendly blend. Barbara also suggests regular scalp massages to improve blood circulation. Example. Barbara shared the story of a client who reversed thinning hair by incorporating rosemary oil into her weekly hair care routine and pairing it with a nutrient-rich diet. Rosemary oil is truly a gift from nature, and its benefits are amplified when combined with fenugreek or used consistently. Whether you're trying the fenugreek mask, DIY oil, or following Barbara O'Neill's advice, the key is patience and consistency. What's your go-to remedy for hair growth? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend who's on a hair growth journey, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Until next time, take care and love your hair. See you in the next video. Stay naturally beautiful.